welcome to Kurdish Lessons. Do you know the name of this flower? This is called nafal. Nafal, okay? If you want to speak about luck, you can say bacht, chance, okay? So bacht is like your destiny, literally. And we have some adjectives like bebacht, unlucky, bebacht, lucky, or bacht rash, black bacht, like black destiny, so it's unlucky. And you can say bacht vakri, like lucky, it means the one whose destiny is open. Bacht vakri, okay? And if you want to say good luck, you may say bachteta vakri be. Bachteta vakri be. So may your bacht be opened. Bachteta vakri be. Bachte wa vakri be. Good luck, guys.